So hello everyone. Today is my English speaking practice day 4. So let's now start guys my today's routines. So today I get up 10:30 a.m. and I have already missed my breakfast. And after that I go to for washrooms and I and after that I took my brush and I put the paste on the brush and I start my teeth brush. So approximately 5 to 10 minutes take brush my tooth, and after that I wash my face with clean water, one emergency tap. So after that I came my rooms and I was already late because today I get up 10:30 a.m. and after that approx 11:30 a.m. I start my study of C programming. So I start because yesterday was I revise control flow statements chapter. So today I solve control flow statements DPPs. So I solve approx 25 questions, and after that I jump one aptitude parts, and I solve also aptitude parts DPPs, and that DPP was analytical analysis. So I solved approx 10 questions, and in 10 questions was correct approx 7 questions, 3 questions was wrong because I was confused some in blood lessons question. So there was I confused, and I study I solve DPP questions. And after that time was that time say approx 1:15 p.m. And after 1:15 p.m. Ratnesh came my room, and he said let's go for lunch, and we all are ready for lunch, and uh, again I use some things my mobile phones when my room partner preparing for dressing and wearing his clothes. So that times I use my mobile phone because I already have ready. So so we are we were we were go to for our lunch, and so we have take our lunch, and so today was in lunch egg egg curry and rice and papad. So those things was today's in lunch. And after lunch I walks in the campus approx 10 to 15 minutes guys. Yes, 10 to 15 minutes, because after lunch it is necessary to for walking, because for health and everything. So after that I came my room, and I use again my mobile phones approx 1 hours. I watch lots of reel on Instagram, and I watch also some strategy videos and and those things, and some notifications of for government exam as like OICS, and about Kuldeep Rathore sir. So he uploads the video on Gatewala channel. So I watch just for notifications. I just watch for some things. So yes, and see after that I take one bottle water, and I uh, went to I went to I went to Brajesh rooms and I hot and I do hot I do I I do waters. I do hot water because from 2 days I am getting some fevers and some colds and some khansi. So I avoid cold water. So I hot water and I drink the hot water and again I mix with one water in water salt and after that I do kulla. Do you know about I don't know its English and and after that I again start my study approx 15 to 30 minutes and something I read and after that I went to go uh, I went to go I went to Sasikant's room because I want to discuss from him regarding to my projects titles and abstracts. I want to say him now starts our project abstracts. So when I asked him, so he says I don't have now laptops because Kanhaiya took from me laptops for his also was work because his laptop not in say MS Word free, so MS Word subscription. So I in my laptops was MS Word subscription. So he take with from me. So he will returns tomorrow. So we will make our abstracts tomorrow. So I will say okay, and say after that I came against my rooms and and I start a study. I start study some things about mathematics portion. So in mathematics, I watch lecture of Rahul sir, Rahul Joshi sir. So he very legend teacher and very brilliant teacher. So I solve some calculus questions and I watch approx 38 minutes video lecture of calculus. So I learned from there and today starts definite integration since all formula portions I covers today. I covers today and uh, and I stopped video since after that Sasikant came Burj's room regarding to parties and he forced of Kamlesh for parties because his birthday was 5th September. So he forced and he also took mobile phones from Kamlesh and he he does not want to ready returns mobile phones because because his conditions was because he was conditioned I will return mobile phones when you give me party and say only if you don't want to party everyone's that's okay but I want to only party so please give me 50 rupees for a rolls price because I want to have a rolls. So those matter was things and approx there was going once 1.5 hours kiddings and also some funny and lot of things. So after that she manage everything and uh, again returns mobiles seconds and all matter was solved. So After that, I came on my study tables and I study computer networks, medium access control, because uh, I complete medium access control lecture 1 week before, but I did not revise those things. So today I revise approx 2 lecture videos, just because I don't have lots of time. So I approx 30 minutes watch time. So I revise those things, how to do collisions, and say when will be collisions, when we send in same times data, then will be collisions, and say probability of collisions and probability of A winnings and probability of B winnings. Since I also study about maximum throughputs, where will we give maximum throughput. So maximum throughputs value is 18 points approx. I forget them some things, 18 point something I like 4. So when we will send when will we send thousands networks, so successfully transfers approx 18 1 means it means 187 approx. So that was things. And after that, now was time of dinner, and Ratnesh again came my room, and he said, let's go for our dinner, guys. We are again ready very quickly. And when we were when we were going to for canteens our dinners, in path in path we in in path we discuss about vegetable, because today's canteens food not was good, in our canteens vegetables. So we are decided we were decide we were decide we took from vegetables from private canteen. And I and Sonu and Kamlesh, Ratnesh and Brajesh went to the shopkeeper, and we asked about price. So he said you can watch one board. So we watched one board, and we watched socks, because price was high. So uh, Brajesh and Ratnesh decided I will not purchase. I I did not purchase it because his price is high. So I and Kamlesh and Sonu decides, no, we will. That's okay. Today I am getting fever, so not good vegetables in canteen. So if we want to take chapatis, so need us good quality vegetable. So purchase. And after purchase vegetables came canteens, and in canteens sales and distributes vegetables from each other. And after that after that dinners again takes walks in campus approx 1 round. Since after that I came back since my rooms, and again I went to Pappu's room, because Pappu's also tabiyat tabiyat is Pappu has getting Pappu has getting fever. To so he so I asked from him, how is now your fever? So uh, are you good? Are you feeling so good? So he say, yes, I'm okay. So after that again say Aditya Pandey say about uh, I was teacher, because when I was in 12th standard class, so that times I was teach I was teach a lot of students of 8, 9, 10 class student, because his father is also a teacher. So he say about regarding those things. So after that, we say again ask him, which is your favorite subject. So he say about mathematics is my favorite subject, and he say, only I know about mathematics, only I know mathematics, I don't know any other subject. So I just fun with him, and I say, if anyone know mathematics, then he can do anything. He can understands every subject. If anyone understands mathematics, that means he can also understands every subject. So what do you think about this? Please comment box in, you can do comment, you can comment. So after that I came my rooms, and I again hot water, doing hot waters, and after that I drink waters, and after drinking hot water again I sit on my study tables and study chairs, and I start my study, and I revise functions concepts, each and every point, how is work functions, what is local variable, global variable, and what is local, global, static variable. So those things I revise in very good way, and now each remaining only question practice. So I start some PYQ, so solve, and I start from control flow statements questions, one PYQ. So I solve approx 3 to 4 questions, and in one questions I was very confused, because there was right in a small x, but uh, I assumed that it is capital X. So my answer again and again comes wrong. So I was very disappointed about them, the about that. How is going one, guys, because I am each and every concepts apply in very good, because I am cross checking approx 2 to 3 times, and seconds comes the wrong answer. So when I watch solution, so I was shocked, because only I am missing those points, because if only single x given, so we cannot conclude it what will be this, it will be x or a small x or capital X. So I write on those books, it is a small x. So after that I solve very easily those questions. So after that again I practice some questions, and some questions I feeling difficulty. So tomorrow I will start again all things for solving. So those was my today's topic, but one things I was miss, what I take off baths, because tomorrow I could not take off bath, because I get up already, guys, 30 a.m. So I go for mm, take bath, and I get up 6:30 p.m. Take bath, because pani has came that time. So after take baths I change my clothes and everything, and again I something walks there and where. So those was my points. So you can comment in comment box where I can improve my English, where I am use a wrong sentence, wrong word. So you can suggest also me, and you can also practice from this type, because English is a language. When you speak, then you can able to speak English. Without speaking, you could not you cannot speak English, because when you speak Hindi, then you know Hindi, then you can speak Hindi, then you can speak anywhere in Hindi. So when you start speaking in English, then you can able to speak English, and you can speak English anywhere. influently. So okay guys, bye bye, take care. So we again meet tomorrow.